Have you ever wondered how long humans can truly live? Right now, the average global life expectancy is 73.4 years. But just 70 years ago? It was only 45 years. That's nearly 30 extra years of life, thanks to medical advancements. But what if we could push that even further? Some scientists predict that human lifespan could reach 150 years, if we can master AI-driven healthcare, genetic engineering, and regenerative medicine. And guess what? Some of these breakthroughs are already happening today. Gene editing and DNA repair, the key to longevity. Aging happens because our DNA deteriorates over time. But what if we could fix it? Harvard scientists have already reversed age-related blindness using CRISPR gene editing. And with AI, CRISPR technology is evolving even faster. The OPENCRISPR1 project is using artificial intelligence to design gene editing systems that could one day prevent aging-related diseases before they even begin. In 2022, a groundbreaking study showed that scientists could reverse the biological age of mice by 50%. Could this be the key to human longevity? AI and robotics in healthcare. AI is already outperforming human doctors. Some AI diagnostic tools have a 99% accuracy rate, detecting diseases before symptoms even appear. Google's DeepMind and MedGemini are developing AI models that can analyze medical images, genetic data, and patient histories all at once, potentially predicting illnesses years before they happen. And robotic surgery is becoming mainstream. The Da Vinci robotic system has already performed over 10 million successful surgeries worldwide. By 2050, AI may not just be a tool, it could become the doctor itself. Artificial organs and 3D bioprinting. Right now, over 40,000 heart transplants happen each year. But demand is 10 times higher. What if no one had to wait for a donor ever again? In 2022, scientists 3D printed a functioning human heart, taking us one step closer to solving the global organ shortage. In Vietnam, researchers have developed a soft robotic arm that can print biological materials directly inside the human body, revolutionizing surgery and regenerative medicine. Could 3D printing and artificial organs make death from organ failure a thing of the past? Superbugs and antibiotic resistance. The biggest threat to longevity might not be aging, but superbugs. By 2050, the WHO predicts that antibiotic-resistant bacteria could kill 10 million people annually, surpassing cancer. With AI-powered drug discovery, new antibiotics are being tested at record speed. But will science be fast enough to keep up? Obesity and lifestyle diseases. Longevity isn't just about science, it's about lifestyle. By 2050, nearly 80% of American adults will be overweight or obese. This could lead to a global health crisis. A study found that the Mediterranean diet, rich in olive oil, fish, and vegetables, can reduce early death by 25%. Will AI-powered personalized nutrition help us reverse these trends? Or are we heading for an era of diet-driven diseases? An aging population crisis. If we all live to 150, what happens to society? By 2050, the world will have over 2 billion people aged 60 and older. Japan is already struggling with this. 30% of its population is over 65, causing a massive labor crisis. Could AI and automation fill the gaps? Or will economies collapse under the weight of an aging society? Climate change and resource shortage. Living longer also means using more resources. By 2050, Earth's population is projected to hit 9.7 billion. The WHO warns that between 2030 and 2050, climate change could cause an additional 250,000 deaths per year due to heat waves, malnutrition, and disease outbreaks. If we live longer, will we also have to survive in a world struggling to sustain us? So, is living to 150 actually possible? Science is making rapid progress. But the real question is, do we even want to live that long? Would life still be meaningful if it lasted twice as long? One thing is certain. A longer life is only worth it if it's a healthy, fulfilling one. What do you think? Would you want to live to 150? Let us know in the comments.